may tatlong injured. Currently, nasa San Juan de Dios Hospital sila. Pinas sila doon. So, pag-asal po natin, okay naman sila. Pero ang initial reports, I think, okay naman. So, they're there. They're receiving the proper medical care. Okay, so, the driver of the Ford Everest is in custody right now. Sabi ko si General Abesha ngayon. Siya ang lead investigator natin. For now, let's just wait for the PNP to do it, and we will keep giving you updates as they come. So, yun lang. Thank you very much.
Guys, dalawang bata pala ang namatay, yung 5 years old tsaka 9 years old. Yung ano pala, yung may hinatid daw yung SUV, tapos pagbaba nung ano pasahero niya, yung nakapasok niya doon na daw parang nag-ano yung SUV. So ayan, nakakaano lang kasi parang papuntang abroad yung ano, yung mag-ama, nakakaawa.